Hey guys, so this video is not going to be that long, and it's going to kind of be just a mashup, mostly me outside with nature. So if you enjoy that kind of content and you enjoy resellers, I resell on eBay and on my stained glass website. I also show you all around Cape Cod. If you enjoy that kind of content, click subscribe. But I've been trying to collect content for the past like 3 or 4 days to make a full video. I was posting every day, trying to get my channel going, and plus I'm enjoying it. And if I keep looking away, there's a chipmunk at my foot, and you'll see the chipmunk in the next couple of clips here, so stay tuned. There you go, there's your peanut. So what was I gonna say? Oh, I was enjoying the everyday content. I'm having a great time. I'm gonna probably be slowing it down to, I hope, a couple times a week. I got my fingers crossed with the peanut in. Oh, the peanut fell right where the chipmunk was sitting. Apparently one is not enough for this little guy. All right. I'm going through a mysterious health issue that no one can figure out. And yes, I'm talking about doctors. So I'll keep you posted. Like I said, I want to get back to everyday video, but right now I simply can't. So like I said, I'm from Cape Cod. I will eventually show you all over the Cape. I have so many ideas in store for this summer. Right now, I'm going to take you into the glass workshop with me, show you a couple more things, and we'll get some content going on this video. I don't want it to be like 5 minutes. I'm going to try for at least 12 minutes here. All right, hang on. And I forgot my disclaimer. For those of you who have never seen my videos before, I wear a mask because I'm in need of dental implants on the top, and I'm saving up my money to do that, which is why I'm reselling on eBay. And yeah. So subscribe just for pity. No, I'm joking. Relax. But yeah, that dentist is going to be a lot of money, so it's probably going to be a while. It's going to be a while, so get used to the shine. Get used to the sparkle, okay? And boom, we're in the stained glass workshop. So I had left these 2 projects. They're obviously still not completed. Once I feel better, I'm going to be doing this snail planter. I have a design in my head for stained glass to be coming up out of this planter. It's going to be super, super cute, and that's going to be sold on my stained glass website, as well as this photo frame. If you've watched my previous videos, I'll try to put some clips up of me purchasing these 2 things. I'm going to put some stained glass in the center of this as well. And what the other things I did, I cut out these little owls, 2 little owls, a mom and the baby. So that's also unfinished. And this, oh, don't mind the shadow of me. This is a panel that is literally up for grabs. Once I finish it, it's going to go in my shop. Or if you're interested, just make a comment and we can figure out a way to contact each other, because this, as I said, is not claimed yet. And it's really, let me try to get a really pretty glass, that whole red and orange sunset look. So yeah, so stay tuned. Don't mind my messy stained glass workshop. Subscribe if you want to see all these things at their completion, because it will be happening ASAP. Hopefully sooner rather than later, because I'm very eager to get back to my normal routine and my normal life. So yeah, it's been a journey. So let's keep going. And like I said, click subscribe, click the like. I think someone told me the more likes you get, it helps your videos to be seen. I don't know. I'm still very new at YouTube. So, but as you see, I have a lot ahead of us as far as stained glass, reselling on eBay, finding treasures, either both from thrift shop. And I believe I only paid like a couple of dollars for each of these. So I do plan on looking for more treasures to turn into my stained glass projects. And so like I said, click subscribe, click like, and I'll see you. The next couple of clips, I believe, I did yesterday, and they're all like nature, me outside in my own yard. There's so much nature here because I put food out. And if you put food out, what is the Field of Dreams quote? They will come, because let me tell you, the animals will come. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, and I can't wait to get back to daily videos, guys. Take care. Good morning. It's Thursday on Cape Cod. It's finally really sunny. It rained all night and thunderstormed, and I'm just shipping 2 packages at the post office right now. Hey guys, I'm home now recording my eBay tracking numbers and sitting out here waiting for animals to come and get the peanuts. Let's see what happens. Look at this really cool rabbit coming like really close to me. Eating peanuts. Is that not the weirdest thing? I did not know rabbits ate peanuts. You heard it here. You're very handsome. Very handsome. I'm just gonna zoom in. Every time my hand moves, it freezes. You're okay. You're okay. Look how pretty. All right. A peanut eating rabbit. Right here in Cape Cod. This chipmunk is so conflicted. So conflicted. Oh, not that conflicted. Oh my God, are you soft? Okay, their fur is so soft. Have a good day, sweetie. Oh my God, I love this crow so much. Hi, sweetheart. You're okay. You're okay, baby. You're so brave. Good job. Oh my God, I love crows. Why do I love crows so much? Awesome. Look at this wild beast. The wild beast. They're so chicken today. I don't know what's happening. Usually they're right at my feet. You guys all chicken today. And here comes my queen who has no fear. No fear. I love you.